Information literacy. When I was a kid, students gathered information in one of two ways. First, most children had a set of encyclopedias in their homes. The biggest problem with encyclopedias was that the information was often outdated before the books even arrived. The other way students found information was the library. The library in your school or in your community are still wonderful resources. But now it's not so easy for students. Typically, they don't have a set of encyclopedias at home, and teachers and students expect you to find information quickly and accurately. So how do we do this? Now we have to master something called information literacy. Information literacy is the ability to ask questions, find answers, and know if the information you found is reliable and accurate. We become information literate as we progress through life and learning. With time and experience, we are better able to find reliable information and share our new knowledge with others. An essential part of being information literate is knowing how to research and learn using the internet. But this can be tricky because not all information on the internet is true. There are many ways to determine if a website is a reliable source of information. First, websites with the domain extensions .org and .edu will generally provide the most reliable source of information. Next, you can think about what you already know. Do you have some knowledge of the subject you're researching? And if so, does what you're reading on the website sound accurate based on what you already know? Third, a reliable website will have an author who is qualified to write the information you're reading. Lastly, a reliable website will often have links to subpages from the main page. This shows that the site is comprehensive in its information and therefore often reliable. Here are some lessons that can help students evaluate websites. In this lesson, students use the real method of evaluating websites to determine if information about a mountain walrus is accurate or inaccurate. This lesson begins with one of my all-time favorite games, Two Truths and a Lie. The premise of this game is to show students how easy it is to create false information that is believable. The teacher then transfers this understanding to demonstrating how easily anyone can create a website with completely inaccurate information. The next lesson begins with brain pop videos, which kids love. After watching and learning from the videos, students use these skills to determine that a website about a tree octopus is ultimately false. Creating fun videos like this for your students can also help them understand what information literacy is and how to safely use the internet.